Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making these delicious pancake squares in the Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, we use the base pan. It is super easy. No more standing at the stove waiting for it to flip. You guys can just put it in the Ninja Foodi grill, bake your pancakes, and in 19 minutes you have these delicious pancakes. So I will show you guys how to make that. I also show you, how to use my recipe, but also if you wanted to use a pancake mix, I show you what to do with a regular pancake mix as well. So it's definitely possible both ways. So I will be showing you guys that way. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check the description box for the links for any of the items that I use. But let's go ahead and dive right into making these delicious pancakes in the Ninja Foodi grill. Alright, so what you're going to need today are 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of milk. I'm using whole milk, but you can use low-fat milk if you wanted. 2 eggs. You'll also need 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to go ahead and just get a closer look and start mixing this all together. Alright, so we're going to mix everything together now. We're going to add our baking powder, our sugar, basically our dry ingredients, and our salt. Then I'm just going to go in with the mixer just to blend it really quick. Alright, now we can add our wet ingredients. That's our butter, vanilla, let's add our eggs, and our milk. And just blend it until it's all mixed together. Alright. Just gonna take that off. Let's prep the grill, or the Ninja Foodi grill. Alright, so we're gonna turn on our grill. We're gonna do bake 300 degrees for 19 minutes. Hit start, and we're just using our base pan. So that's it. We're gonna just use the base pan. Alright, we'll allow it to preheat and we'll be back. Now, I want to let you guys know while the Ninja Foodi grill is prepping, if you didn't want to make the homemade batter, you can actually use a pancake mix with, this is a just add water mix. I've done the same exact recipe, or the same exact thing with this mix in the Ninja Foodi grill. And the only thing is that you want to make sure that whatever pancake mix you're using, the one that I'm using is a just add water mix, but you want to use at least 2 cups of the mix, because that's going to fill your base pan perfectly. If you use less, it's not going to fill your base pan and it's not going to cook the same. So if you want to follow the same exact steps that I use for the Ninja Foodi grill, but using a pancake mix, this is the way to go. I've done it, I've tested it, and I'll show you guys a picture as well of the pancakes that I've made. But I'm using the Crusties. This is from Costco. I think it's like $5 for the big bag. And it's 2 cups of the mix, and you follow the same exact recipe in terms of what the instructions say on the bag. So I just added 1 1/3 cups of water, and I add it to the base pan, and it's the same step. So let's get back to it. The grill should be ready soon. Alright, so our grill is ready. The only thing I'm going to do is add canola spray. I know I usually say don't use canola spray because of the smoking point, but we're only doing 300 degrees, so it'll be fine. So I'm just going to spray down. Alright, and then let me get my spatula. I should have been prepared, you guys. I'm sorry. Let me get it. Where did I put it? There it is. Okay. So I'm just going to pour all of the batter in. Okay, and I will show you guys how it looks. fills the entire base pan up to that little ridge that's inside of the grill. So it's perfect. If you want to smooth it out, you can. Just go in with the spatula, make sure it's evenly spread, but it should just spread evenly. Alright, we'll let it cook for the 19 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, 7 seconds remaining, and here we have it. We have our pancake sheet. I'm going to go ahead and cut out a couple pieces and we can take a closer look right now. Alright, and there you have it. We have our pancakes. Let's go ahead and take a bite. So it's fluffy on the inside. That's delicious, you guys. And there you have it. We have our square pancakes in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. But until next time, you guys have a great night.